YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks. Sorry, I've been really busy, really busy. I keep feeling like I'm saying that a lot lately. But let's bring in, a lot of times I keep doing these projects and I just, you see me where I already got the wood stacked there. Let's show you what I got going on. So this is my shed. This is where I store. It's gonna be hard. I gotta drop back to get into the dark here. It's a good problem to have. Got a lot of stuff stacked up in here. Let me flip this around. We'll show you what we got going on out here. Getting ready to actually do the overhang on my workshop. And this is a bunch of the maple I processed like 2 years ago in some of the early on videos. This is the pine I just recently did. Want to get that put in the shed. And this is more of the maple. Some of the maple up there stacked. And coming down over here, this is the rest of the maple that I'm bringing out. That's the stuff I'm going to be making tongue and groove board out of for the overhang. So it's not a perfect system. It's not a true tried and true kiln or anything like that. But for what I do, it's for me. I'm not selling the stuff. So you can knock me, but it works. But this shed, it's 80 degrees out. Right now it's 100 plus degrees in here. That's why the bees love it in here. Get out of here. But it dries this stuff out. This stuff, I mean, they say a year per inch. Well, most of this stuff is right at 4/4 or 5/4. So it's been 2 years. It is plenty dry. I checked it with my wood moisture meter. It is ready to rock and roll. But some of the future stuff underneath that, I got bunch of black walnuts, whole bunch of cherry, elm, I think it's elm, and lo and behold some mulberry that I cut up. And back behind here, some more black walnuts. This whole giant stack is just an entire hodgepodge of hickory, maple, you name it, it's in there. Black walnut, I think. So but yeah, just kind of wanted to go over where I kind of keep a lot of this wood that I process and how I dry it. Yeah, it's like I said, obviously at some point I would love to have a solar kiln, but for the time being I use Mother Nature in this shed, and it seems to really do the trick. And been keeping my eyes open, make sure we don't got any creepy crawlies, but as hot as it stays in here, it really kills the stuff off. Not to mention the mice that I need to set traps. They seem to eat everything. So, like I said, it's not a perfect system, but for what I do, it works. But yeah, as always, well, here, to show you how much wood we've already been moving. These are just some of the stickers. I used to use little pieces cut off. Now, obviously, I try and use good 4-footers to keep everything more level. But yeah, it's been going good. So YouTube, once again, as always, thanks for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and I'll talk to everyone again soon. Alright, so that's all the maple that I got, well, that I took. There's some more over there, but hopefully this will be enough for the overhang. We will see. I haven't done any calculations on it, but yeah. So that's what I brought over here. Time to get this put into the workshop so I can get it processed and good to go.